Say somebody's in the mode of passion, means they're desiring, as you said, prestige and honor. Those are the characteristics of mode of passion. And they decide to engage in devotional service. So, are they going to become freed from those desires for prestige and honor, or is Krishna going to fulfill that, like in the case of Dhruva Maharaj?
Yeah.
Or both, or neither? That they're going to fall down because they're coming devotional service with the wrong motivation.
Yeah, it's a very good question. It depends on Krishna and what he thinks is the best for the devotee. Like for Dhruva Maharaj, he wanted kingdom better than his own father, and that was his impulse behind starting the devotional service. So, but when he was following the instructions of Narad Muni, then he realized that I was after the broken pieces of glasses. The material enjoyment is like broken pieces of glasses. And now I have achieved Lord Vishnu, who is the real diamond. But Lord Vishnu still fulfilled the desire. Because in this context it is said that Lord Vishnu doesn't want others to think that Krishna only purifies the desire. So some materialistic people may think that, oh, I have these desires, but I cannot go to Lord Vishnu because he will purify my desires. So that's why Lord Vishnu, he purified the desire of Dhruva Maharaj, and at the same time he also granted the wish. He also granted the planet to Dhruva Maharaj. So he did both. Even the desire was fulfilled and he also got what he wanted. So it depends on a particular devotee. Sometimes some devotees are crying and praying that Krishna, I want this. This is my material desire. Please fulfill. But Krishna just rejects it. And devotees think that how can this happen? That I have been praying for many years. Later, the same devotee finds out that whatever Krishna did was the best for me. Because for us, we do not know what is the bigger picture, but Krishna knows the bigger picture, what is good for us. So sometimes Krishna fulfills, sometimes he sanctions with just one prayer. In the morning you come and you pray something, and by the evening it's sanctioned, and you feel, wow, I'm such a great devotee. And sometimes devotees are praying for years, but the desire is not fulfilled. We have to understand that Krishna is supremely merciful and he wants the best for his devotee. So whatever is the best will be sanctioned by Krishna.
Thank you.
Thank you.